This video, I'm going to show you how to recover your IRS account login step by step. First, go to the official IRS website and select Sign in to your online account. On the login page, click Forgot Username or Forgot Password, depending on the issue you're experiencing. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering personal details such as your social security number, date of birth, and the email address linked to your account. Next, follow the instructions sent to your email or phone to reset your login credentials. Make sure to create a strong new password and complete any required multi-factor authentication steps. If you no longer have access to your registered email or phone number, the IRS may require additional identity verification or direct you to contact support for further assistance. Once your information is verified, you'll be able to regain access to your IRS online account and manage your tax information securely.